Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Tech, but today I want to do a little piece on this super cheap tape player, an Omni. Now, the reason that I wanted to do this is that you can see right under the sticker, it seems to say Sears. Sears house brands were totally cheap, well, electronics. Anything that you got that said Sears was probably going to be cheap. It looks like you got pretty much everything here. It came with external power, battery operated, so it have a microphone on it. Was that auxiliary, earpiece, recorder, volume. Of course, the eject, it's not really quite working. I got it for $3, but seriously, the reason why I really wanted to get it was just because the Omni sticker was clearly over top of the Sears logo. I've had this thing sitting around for a while, and I just want to see that full Sears. Like, why? Why would somebody do this? Alright, so I got the sticker off, and you can definitely see Simpson Sears. Wow, it's been a while since I've seen Simpson Sears. And on the front, once again, Sears. So, of course, like I said before, Sears was the house brand of Sears. And if you wanted to get something super cheap at Sears, you got the house brand. But who would take it down one level further, seriously? Who would be that guy? Who would want to do something like that? And if we take a look in the battery compartment, we got batteries from about the age-appropriate batteries. What can I say? Oh, wow, seriously, I don't see this very often. Those batteries were rusted to crud. But they didn't even touch the pickups. What are these? Okay, there's a little bit on the pickups, but seriously, are these aluminum or something? That's amazing. I can find absolutely no information on this Omni Corporation, but the fact that somebody actually took a little sticker and just put it over the Sears, Simpson Sears, and sold it as their own makes me wonder, what, were these things just kicking around? Maybe that's it. They were just kicking around and they needed to find another place to sell it. So they were like, well, if I can't sell it at Sears, maybe we'll slap something on. You can sell it elsewhere, right? That's got to be it. Now, you know this thing came to the wrong neighborhood, because you know I gotta see inside all the equipment. I'm sure all the belts are all rusted to crud. But still, these things will age better than an iPhone. Because an iPhone, once the battery dies, you can't do anything with it. iPhones, Androids, if you plug them in without a battery, they won't turn on. It's easy to get a belt. It's easy to open these things up and get a belt. It's not so easy to get a replacement battery for an old phone that's decades old. Come on. I had to fight with some clips here. All right, here we go. And the belt actually doesn't look bad. Let me get this off here. Belt actually looks like it could move. Sweet. Unfortunately, I don't need a tape player right now. But what I do like to do, as you know, is get into stuff. It's interesting, we got all these circuit boards that they're running a wire. You don't see this so much anymore. Louis Rossman's great at running a wire if the printed circuit board's not working. But I wonder if it's almost considered unprofessional to run wires like that these days. Wow, it's a big capacitor. Man, I love these old circuit boards. What can I say? Especially with all this mechanical stuff going on. I love this mechanical stuff. You just never see this stuff anymore. I guess I have to go back and find stop. There we go. You just don't see this stuff anymore. Anyways, that's it for me, Nev from Tech. But like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated. And have a good one, folks.